Hey everybody, what is going on? I hope you guys are all doing well, and welcome to another tutorial video. In this video, I'll be explaining to you guys how you can fill text with an image in Canva, so let's get right into it. Firstly, what we're going to be using for this is we're going to be using already existing letters in the Elements tab, which are pretty much frames. Once you get to frames, go to Elements and scroll down, get to frames, and then click See All, and it'll open up all these frames at your disposal. Now here, you'll see the letters, and here you can choose whatever you want. Let's just say DEF for an example. And now you want to insert your image. Just go to uploads and upload an image, or drag and drop one from your PC, or do whatever you want, and then add the images into the presentation itself. Now you want to click and hold the images that you want to add to the text and drag them into the letters that you want. But as you can see, each letter requires a different photo. And I will be explaining to you guys how you can choose the same photo across all the different text. You just want to place it like you would like it to be. Just place it and align it as best as you can. Highlight all the letters, right click, and then go into group. You can either use Control G, or when you highlight it, you'll see the toolbar above them. Just click group, and once you do that, I thought that it would do this, but it looks like it doesn't. I'm pretty sure there is a way, but I thought this was it, and I don't know how to do it actually. But yeah, this is pretty much how you can add images to your letters. If you want to make it, well, to, be together, you can drag and drop and then move the image around by double clicking the frame, and then you can do something like this and add the image twice, and for example make it sort of like this. And it does look a bit weird, but you can drag and drop the letters around and you can play around with it. But essentially, this is how you add images into text in Canva. Hope you guys enjoyed, and I'll be seeing you guys in another video.